Papua New Guinea, there is a growing interest in making money on YouTube. Many people are looking for ways to monetize their channels and turn their passion into a source of income. One of the first steps in this process is to create engaging and high-quality content that will attract viewers. This can include anything from vlogs and tutorials to music covers and cooking videos. Once the content is created, the next step is to set up a YouTube channel and start uploading videos. This involves creating an account, customizing the channel layout, and optimizing the videos for search engines. It is important to use relevant keywords and tags to help viewers find the content. After the channel is set up, the next step is to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to monetize their videos through advertising revenue. To be eligible for the program, channels must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once the channel is approved for the partner program, creators can start earning money through ad revenue. This revenue is generated based on the number of views and clicks on the ads that are displayed on the videos. Creators can also earn money through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. In order to maximize earnings on YouTube, creators should focus on creating high-quality content that is engaging and relevant to their target audience. They should also promote their videos on social media and collaborate with other creators to increase their reach. Overall, making money on YouTube in Papua New Guinea is a viable option for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to create compelling content and build a loyal following. With dedication and perseverance, creators can turn their passion into a profitable business.